we can also prepare ghee with boiling 1 liter milk, which will give you 200 ml of Khoya or Mawa, which is the natural procedure, and it is time consuming. You have to cook milk on boiling point and then on slow flame for 60 minutes. Okay, that is a different method. This method is very easy. You have to it is made only with the 3 ingredients, my friends. I mean to say कि जो दूध का मावा जो नेचुरल होता है, 1 लीटर दूध पे हम लोग 200 ml मावा निकाल सकते हैं. दूध को बॉईल करते हैं, फिर स्लो पे पकाते हैं, 1 घंटे के ऊपर हो जाता है. पकते पकते वो नेचुरल होता है, ठीक है. और that gives a different taste, and this is इमरजेंसी में हम लोग बना सकते हैं. हम लोग मिठाई वगैरह में ये ऐड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन प्रिपेयर दिस इन इमरजेंसी एंड यू कैन ऐड इन एनी ऑफ द स्वीट्स फॉर अ बेटर टेस्ट. फ्रेंड्स, अब तक जिसने भी मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड कीप द बेल बटन ऑन. थैंक यू वेरी मच फ्रेंड्स. Friends, we are preparing instant mawa today with just 3 ingredients: everyday milk powder, half cup of milk, and 3 teaspoons of ghee. It's asli ghee, desi ghee. So let's prepare, friends. It gives a very awesome taste. You can add to any sweet dish. Guys, we are preparing mawa today, instant mawa with just 3 ingredients. Okay. You can see this is everyday milk powder I have taken, and I have taken half cup of milk, and I will take 4 teaspoons of ghee. Okay, let's prepare, friends. I am instantly adding milk to it. You should not add together. Add little and mix it. Mix it. Again I will add milk. You have to add little milk so that the lumps won't come. I mean to say, आप जो दूध है, अब पाउडर जो डाला है उसको थोड़ा करके अब दूध मिला है. मैंने पाउडर जो है, मिल्क पाउडर जो है, मैंने 1 कप लिया है, और दूध मैंने हाफ कप ही लिया है. और इसमें जो घी पड़ेगा वो सिर्फ, अब मैंने कढ़ाई ऑन नहीं की है. इट इज़ नॉट ऑन गैस, इट इज़ जस्ट ऑन टेबल. फर्स्ट द मिक्सिंग प्रोसेस विल टेक प्रोसीजर. मीन्स फर्स्ट मिक्सिंग थिंग विल टेक प्लेस. उसके बाद में ही आप गैस ऑन करेंगे. जैसे पहले आपको लम्स वगैरह उसमें जो है वो अच्छी तरह से तोड़ना है. मीन टू से कि यू नीड टू जस्ट, ठीक है, यू कैन सी, मिक्स इट वेल, एडिंग मिल्क. ओके, taking half cup of milk, not more than that. I'll mix it. You have to mix this very nicely. This is the instant mawa which you can prepare at home very fast, and you can add this in any of your sweet dish. Okay, in any of your sweet dish you can add this. You have just taken milk powder. I have taken half cup of milk, and now I will add ghee. After switch off, I will first switch on the gas. I will add ghee later, not now. On gas on a medium flame. Okay, continuously stir. Don't allow it to rest. Let it cook for some time. See, it is sticking to the side. Okay, let it cook, become thick. It will become thick. It will take some time. It takes 6 to 7 minutes to prepare instant ghee, instant mawa, I'm sorry, or khoya you can say, my friends. See, it's becoming thick. Don't allow to stick, and if possible take a non-stick vessel for cooking. Many of my friends requested me to upload Mawa or Khoya recipe, so especially for them and for my other friends too. Adding ghee. First I will add for 1 teaspoon. Later on I'll add another teaspoon of ghee. It takes 4 teaspoons of ghee if you are taking everyday milk powder, and if you're taking any other whole milk powder in international, in foreign countries, you'll get, if you search on internet, you'll get whole milk powder. In that case you need to use only 2 teaspoons of ghee. Okay, it depends upon the quality of the powder. Okay, even if you're using Amulia powder in India, you just need to add only 2 teaspoons of ghee. For everyday milk powder, it is you need to take 4 teaspoons of ghee. Okay, I'm adding another teaspoon of ghee. Mix it well, don't allow it to stick. You can see it has become thick. Now I'm adding last spoon of ghee. I have to switch off the gas first. Okay, see that you can see side also you should clean properly, and it is made. You can see the thickness, my friends. Still it will get cool and it will become more thick. Thanks for watching, my friends. You can see it is thick.